So in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to make brown butter. I have butter with me. I'm going to cook the butter, and once the butter melts, I'm just going to further cook it beyond a point where the fat will separate and we'll have speckles of brown color in the butter, and that is going to have a beautiful aroma, a nutty flavor that I thought is very important to add into the cake. So we are going to make a brown butter sponge, and that in turn we are going to use for the butterscotch cake. So I'm just going to start off, and into the saucepan I'm just going to add the butter. I'm just going to let the butter melt fully. When the butter is fully melted, I'm just going to allow this to boil, bubble up, and that will be the next stage. And beyond that point is where we'll start seeing the brown speckles at the bottom. So we just need to wait until we have that brown color at the bottom of the saucepan, and then we'll have the brown butter ready. So it's starting to bubble up now. And just check to see the bottom is clear. You still can't see any speckles of brown. So it still needs to cook furthermore. So it's been about more than a couple of minutes now. We still see the bubbles happening on top. And the bottom is still clear. Just keep watching out that you could start getting the brown speckle any time from now. So it's going to be bubbly most of the time. So just need to keep stirring in to check how it looks at the bottom of the saucepan. I'm just going to lift it up to let the foam subside a bit. So I could also check if there's the speckle formation at the bottom, or if I just need to cook furthermore. see the colors changed from the golden yellow. It's not even kept on the stove, just lifted it up. You can see the color change from the yellow shades to amber color, the honey's color at the bottom. So the butter is browning. Yeah, I'm just going to further deepen the color a bit so we have the depth of flavor when we use this brown butter into the sponge. I'm just going to cook a little bit more so you can see the color. So it's in the color of the honey at the moment. I'm just waiting a bit more, just a deep honey color. Then we start having the speckles of the brown bits at the bottom. So now this looks good to me. I'm just going to stir it down and then show you what is the color. We just need to stop. You can just see below the foam the color of the butter. So I'm just going to transfer this into the bowl so we stop cooking the butter so it doesn't go bitter after this stage. So we just keep all the speckles with the butter. Now if you're going to use it on the cake immediately, you could just let it there and then start with the process of the cake making. We're just going to use it like say few minutes later, then you could just transfer it into another bowl. Just remove the foam out to just show you how the brown butter looks. That's a beautiful color. So we have the brown butter ready, and now let's move on to making the cake.